I'm back. Hey, I'm back. Huh? I'm back on the tube.
Live your best life, dude.
How should I like reintroduce myself? Allow me to reintroduce myself. Should I? Should I hit him with a serenation?
I hope not.
But I will. I don't wanna wait. I don't plan. I want you exclusive. Maybe we should just do this, but the feeling's so strong. And I don't wanna plan on making excuses. Maybe we should just do this, and the feeling's so strong. Alright, I'm out. I'm about to go check on my garden. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, I've been gone, no reason. You see me back, quarantine here still. I still haven't gone to the barbershop to get my hair cut. I can cut it myself, but you know what? I'm just going all natural. Thinking about growing it out. I might get dreads, you know, welcome to my lock journey. Who knows? I'm just letting it do its own thing. So today I'm just gonna do a garden update. It's been about what, 90 days, about 3 months. I planted these back in March, probably like the last weekend in March, last 2 weekends. So now it's time to show you what I've got. Let's see, I planted, let's see. Of course, you know, I grew watermelon and corn. Oh man, I lost the lid off the corn. I believe it was sweet corn. Go back to the last video, I'm sure it's on there. My watermelon is crimson sweet watermelon. It's supposed to take 80 days to harvest, so I'm actually supposed to have watermelon right now. I'm pretty sure this was pretty much the same. 80 days to harvest, that means I should have watermelon. I don't have watermelon by now. If you, I'm gonna show you what I have. So yeah, since it's a failure, I might as well just go ahead and show you what I have. Well, today I brought fertilizer. I was actually gonna fertilize it. I thought I had some more time. Maybe I still have more time. Maybe I can just throw some fertilizer on it and maybe I'll get corn and watermelon eventually. Yeah, got fertilizer. I'm not even sure if this is the right fertilizer. It's all-purpose plant food. They have pictures of, you know, flowers, tomatoes, onions, peppers, cucumbers, you know. Stuff that I'm growing, pretty much. I don't know, what the heck, let's just go put it on there and see what happens. Alright, so I told you it's been about 90 days. I planted them the end of March. Right now is the end of June. It's June 23rd. It's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to everybody. And I didn't know it said it took 80 days to harvest. So yeah, here's what I have. Boom. Here's my corn. Let's see. And it's, somebody said if it's knee high by the 4th of July, I'd be good. But you know what, after seeing that it takes 80 days to harvest, I'm just not seeing it. And here's my watermelon. Boom, coming out of there. Out of there. I mean, the watermelon looks good, but it's small. I feel like after 3 months, I should have way more leaves. They should be way bigger, right? But you know, by now. And my corn. You know, there's a good healthy stock right here. This is good and healthy, but it's just short and it's not growing. So I'm gonna put this fertilizer down and see what happens. Alright, so what I'm doing with my spade, and you see I got my gloves on, I'm just gonna loosen up this dirt around it, you know. Just just break up the earth. Not going too deep, just breaking, you know, just loosening this up a little bit. I water this every day, so I mean, it shouldn't be too hard or anything. I was afraid this one was out of the ground. I was afraid that this one's roots were out of the ground, because you can see it's leaning, and I wasn't sure if that was cut or not. Corn. Let's break up this a little bit. Take this grass out. This is grass right here. That's true. This over here, I don't know. This is a whole situation. I'm not sure. I think this is weeds right here. I think I could take that out. Yeah, I think, I'm not sure if this is grass right here. I know this one here is corn right there. But this right here, I'm not sure if that's grass or not. So should I leave that alone or? No, I think that's grass. I'm gonna take that out, because that's competition with my corn. I didn't bring my stand because I didn't think I'd be out here this long. Where's that? I don't know, that's weeds or corn. I'm gonna take it out. Or should I leave? I'm gonna take it out because it doesn't look like the other ones. Alright, so I got that one. But, I mean, it looks dry. Like it's not. I read up that corn turns yellow when it's not getting enough nitrogen. So I think that's why the plants aren't really growing, because my soil lacks nitrogen. So hopefully this fertilizer that I have adds a little bit of nitrogen. Alright, so I just sprinkled down my fertilizer. I just put it basically around the base of the plants. Got a little bit of the middle also. I put a lot down. I'm not sure you're supposed to put this much down if I went overboard. Excuse me, but the smell of this is kind of getting to me, but it's all good. Alright, now I'm about to water these bad boys and that'll be a wrap. Whew, sorry, there's a bee. Let me get some more water. Alright, I'm all fertilized up, all watered up, and I think that's gonna be a wrap for this one. See my corn. And my watermelon. Ooh, saw kind of flies already coming out the woodworks. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so I'm back on the inside now, and on the way back in, I was looking at the back of the fertilizer, and just to see if it, you know, is what my plants needed, which I read that they needed nitrogen, and it does provide nitrogen. It provides nitrogen, phosphate, potassium, soluble potash, I guess that's potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, but nitrogen is listed at the top at 5%, so everything else is 4%. Oh, actually calcium 8%. So hopefully this does the trick. Now, since my outside plants aren't producing as I thought they were. I got a few other plants, you know, just to supplement. I don't know, these are going inside somewhere, or at least they're gonna start off inside. So I just picked these up I figured it was it Walmart, Target, Lowe's, Home Depot. It was one of these stores. Gonna grow daisies, mini roses, thyme. There we go. Forget-me-nots and rosemary.